All right, here we are in the booth of Xtools. We're going to take a look at this manufacturer. So they're known for laser cutting. We're going to see if they have any new products here that we could take a look at them, all right? So let's go ahead and take a look at it and see if we could find anything. What are you cutting?
Cutting an X.
Oh, an X. So he's cutting an X. How long does it take to cut that X?
24 seconds.
24 seconds? Wow.
Everything architecture.
That's it? Oh, wow. It's pretty cool. It's hot, so he's putting all this stuff. 24 seconds it took.
Attention to detail and buying good quality lumber is the trick.
Wow, that's awesome stuff. 24 seconds.
It's a 2 millimeter of stainless steel. It's pretty clean.
That's pretty cool.
3 units that have come out within this year so far. The P3, which is an 80 watt CO2 laser. It's got an 18 by 36 bed size. Some of the big improvements besides the software is it has an inverted chiller, so it's closer to industrial grade as far as runtime. It's got a lot of built-in tech, so once this is over we can show you, but it'll scan the material, you can do smart nesting, you can do batch processing, you can do a lot of things. It auto puts into focus your material. As long as you have some internet connectivity, they have presets. So you tell it what it has, it'll give you suggestions, and you can go quickly. Some of the other things that are new to this is there's a smart pass-through. So it can do most of the bed width, and then just the standard unit can do up to 4 feet. And another unique thing with that pass-through is it actually connects onto the machine, so you don't need extra tables.
A question on this one. The filtering system for this one.
Yeah, so it comes with the IF2, which is an inline fan. So if you're able to vent outside, you can just use that with no problem. If you're wanting to internal, like here, we're not going to be venting out through the roof. They do have the AP2 Max, which is a 6-stage HEPA filter. It's industrial grade. It's an extra choice. And also, you can get the RA3, which is their new smart rotary that has a lot of integrated tech as well with that.
Now, question on the thickness of how thick can you cut of either wood and metal?
Yeah, so this is 1/2 inch birch plywood. So 1 pass.
Oh, wow.
So that, 1 pass. One of the other things with this machine is it comes with a medium lens. You can also, if you're going to be specializing in cutting, you can get an L lens, and that gives you the focal depth to go through deeper materials. So that was done with the, I think it's, with the L lens. I forget if that's the 2.5 inch. Yeah, 2.5 inch.
Last question, where can they get a hold of you? Social media, website?
So xtool.com is our main platform. On there, you can get a hold of Xtools Squad, which is a program they have where you can do demos with people in your area if you want to see hands-on before you buy. They're also at a bunch of trade shows coming, which is great. And then they have a U.S. office in Mountain View, California, so near San Francisco, with a demo room. And they also have like brand launch events and things that happen in their U.S. office.
Okay. Wow.
We can put it together as well if you want to see that.
Yes.
So you get a little... And then this.
It's good? You seem tired. Yeah, I just carried the pressure back.
How long does this take to cut?
So this, because it's doing a lot of...
Yeah, the corners.
Because it's doing that, it took a little under 10 minutes.
Okay.
And that's just because there's so many relief cuts in it.
It takes you longer to put together. than cutting it.
Yeah. So, you want that on inside or outside?
Here's a finished one too.
outside.
Look at that.
Yeah. Outside?
This is a look.
So with this one, you want to get this in, and then you actually need to stretch out the banding around it. Does that make sense? So you stretch the living hinge around it. Oh. Sorry. I misoriented it. It's this one, so 2. So the 3 in, and then stretch around. And we can even